Oh, so you pour on it, then you drink it. Or you push it. So it's raw.
Yeah, it is real.
So this came from directly from the sea.
Well, he will know exactly where.
Oh. So there's nothing like cooking it or stuff.
You caught these?
Wow.
Yeah, put it sauce.
Which I don't want any with like heavy pepper.
So she's trying.
Ken is trying first.
Yeah.
You're not gonna try it with me?
Yes, but you going first.
It's actually good.
Really? Okay, I'm gonna try next.
Wow. This guy.
I'm scared.
It's good.
I'm real scared.
Another one right there. You wanna try? Okay.
What sauce?
All I need is you, baby, baby.
What's up, guys? We're right here in Marcus Beach, and we're having some really typical food here. They call it
Bacon shark.
yeah, bacon shark. It's like bacon bread and shark. And my friend Richard actually recommended me to come here, and I'm right here having it. And this is how it looks like. And how much does one cost actually?
35 TT dollars. So
Yeah.
That's like 6 US.
5 US.
Yeah. This is very common here, right?
Yes.
Like
Yes.
it's if you come to Trinidad and you don't try this, it's like man.
You're missing
Yeah,
out. You're missing out.
exactly. So let's try it and see how things go, and we shall be telling you how it feels like. But basically, what we have here is
Have a fried bake. That's what everything holding everything together. Then we have the fried shark below. They put it in a batter and then fry it in oil and stuff. And then
So where is the shark?
this is the shark here.
Okay, so this is the shark. Okay,
Yeah.
right here. That's the shark.
We got lettuce, cabbage, tomatoes, cucumbers, pineapples, avocados. And we got shadow benny sauce. Everything is in here. Like
So this is like a mix of everything.
yeah, it's
From
crazy.
pineapples right here to avocados somewhere here, you know?
yeah.
Eat this.
Yeah.
Do we just like put it up here?
How do people eat it?
They like eat it like a sandwich. So you fold it like so
Yeah.
and try to bite.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Must have a really big mouth.
Yeah. Okay, try for us for the first time. Yeah. Oh my god, yeah. I feel like eating this food. Number one is you must be not shameful of anything.
Not shy.
Not shy.
Really messy.
So it's gonna mess your mouth and stuff, but you feel like I want it, you know?
Okay, I'm gonna try a bite now.
Okay.
Heaven on earth.
I had tried to, bro, and you've ever tried it before?
I don't know. I think I tried on Thanksgiving, but I don't really.
On
I'm not really-
Thanksgiving, what?
I'm not really sure. It's like a party.
Oh my god, I don't know if I'll bite that. Yeah, it looks like
If I would bite it right.
yeah.
Is it good? Yeah, mustard all over your mouth.
Pineapple, shadow benny sauce. Guys, so the shadow benny sauce and the pineapples are like a genius combination. Tastes really good together.
I love pineapples.
So these are one of the most typical foods right here, right? Sorry.
Anything you've ever eaten before?
No, it's kind of a little bit spicy.
It's spicy?
No, a little bit, and it's really good.
Okay, Mara's turn.
So I wanna test this stuff. I'm not sure. Oh, you could help me, Colin.
Okay, now it's recording.
Conch
roti.
roti. So we are trying this conch roti somewhere here in the
Maracas Road.
Maracas Road.
Maracas Road. Okay. So, wow. This is how it looks like. Okay, right there. So. Okay.
How is it?
It's like a double.
Almost, right?
Almost,
Yeah. Yeah.
But the dough that it's wrapped in is different.
Okay.
So this
okay.
one is like a split piece thing. I can't remember what doubles is, but it doesn't have the flaky thing on the inside.
Okay, wow.
And the doubles, the bar is fried, but this one is like on a platen, something called a platen. It's a flat pot.
Wow. Okay. Now it's her turn. You right?
Yeah.
My turn. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm actually excited to taste it, so I'm gonna take a big bite. It's different.
What does it taste like? Is it
There's
good?
fish.
Like a fish roti.
Yeah. It is good.
That's really interesting.
It is really, really good, actually.
Wow.
Right. Oh, shit. Yeah.
Now it's her turn.
Moses, come get down here.
Which one is showing?
Okay guys, so it's my turn. Try my comfort. I'm gonna make sure I get a little bit of everything.
Wait, I'm showing.
How does it feel like?
Sit down. The conch is a little bit chewy.
Wow.
The taste is good.
So guys, we just tested something they call
Conch roti.
concrete. Actually, I didn't know I was eating snails until they told me I was having snails. So
a
man,
conch is a sea snail, so it lives on the rocks, like at the seashore.
wow. So, and look how I just cleared it, man. Like this is all we have, the evidence.
You were eating snails?
Yeah.
I haven't tried that. Never.
Oh
I never
man.
did either, but I mean, first time for everything, I guess.
I loved it.
I loved it too.
I loved it.
To be honest, I love the snails, man. Honestly, if I knew it's snails, maybe I would have eaten it with caution. You know? I thought like it's something associated to snails, but not
Yeah.
snails. Oh.
It's like a sea snail.
So how do they prepare it actually?
I know they take out the meat from in the shell,
Yeah.
and I don't know what
Yeah.
they do after that. Maybe
Cook
pressure
it?
cook it to get it a little soft and not so chewy,
Okay.
and then
Yeah.
season it up and stuff like that. But that's with any other meat.
Maybe we should have asked them like how they prepare.
yeah.
You know, but okay. So next we're going to check what
Bacon
next?
shack?
Bacon shack.
Bacon
Okay.
shack. So
Yeah.
we are going, and we are somewhere in this beautiful place here. Please check their YouTube channel. Check their YouTube channel. We're doing a big collabo together, and also our video sponsored by
Travi.
Travi. Yeah, Travi, thank you. Actually, they are transporting us around as we have these different spots of food. Okay, let's go to the next spot. We are going that way. Yeah. And this is called
Bake and shack.
Bake.
So shark, like from the
Okay, yeah, Bake and Shack. So,
A lot of your subscribers is asking about this.
oh, okay,
Yeah.
Bake and Shack.
It's like
So,
bacon.
so that's the Bake and Shack right there. So we're right here in Maracas Beach. This place is super popular. I'm trying to run away from the music. So this place is my second time to be here. As I'm making this video, it's my last day. And we're right here. That's the beach right there. Super popular, very popular. I know the last time you saw me here, I was flying a drone, and I was doing some interviews with some Jamaican ladies. I'm with my colleagues right there. That's K.C VLOGS, and we're gonna test some seafood here. I know my friend Richard recommended me to do this, so let's go and do that, man. Okay? It's called, I don't know, Shack and Sharks. I don't know the name. Let's go. Oh shit. Okay. So that is it. Thank you, man. We really appreciate it. Yeah, we
Thank
really.
you. Have a good day.
So
Now we're gonna dress it over there.
where?
That line.
Okay.
Line of people.
Wow. So this is dressing then.
Okay. I would hold up the camera and you
No, our friend could do it. The dry.
Huh?
Like
I will hold it because I have her in my hand anyway.
so. So this is called dressing. So I think you're gonna dress it because you know.
Well, we can do one together.
Okay.
Yes? Yes.
So what do you think?
So you know it's Trinidad when it's half day at 2 p.m. You know it's Trinidad when it's 3 p.m. on a Tuesday and everyone is on the beach having bacon shack like they don't have work. Mind you, the work day is 8 to 4. Y'all didn't have work today? Y'all on vacay? So we got some lettuce.
You want some?
I don't know. I'm just following you now. Oh, we want to do, right?
Yes, I mean,
I could have it.
Cabbage.
So yeah, it's busy, 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 busy.
you want some apples?
Yeah, we could put some tomatoes. Wow. Oh yeah, really busy. Yeah, I like avocados more.
Yeah,
She doesn't like
I
avocado.
like avocado.
Me too, I like avocado. No, don't mix it. Like you could put it maybe.
side,
Yeah, maybe here. Yeah.
I mean, we like fruit, but not really on.
Yeah, actually, I like avocados more than anything. Oh wow, cassavas.
Pineapple.
These are pineapples.
Yes.
Oh.
I'm gonna put them
yeah.
on the side.
And the last one.
That's where the sauces start.
So this is sauce, right?
Yeah. So this is like mayo, ketchup, and a little bit of mustard mixed together.
Yeah.
I can't remember what they call it. It's like a mashup.
Okay, so what kind of sauce is this?
It's like ketchup and mayo.
Do you want some?
No, we're just trying like food, you know. We're just trying food.
Okay, so no sauce?
It's okay.
The shadow benny sauce.
Shadow benny sauce.
Oh, I could manage. Wow.
Ketchup.
Okay.
Sorry.
Sure. Pepper? I don't use pepper, but it's okay. Damn.
I'm so sweet, espero. How about
Okay. Love followers. Yeah, that right there. Wow. Today we are just going out of our ways to try closely to everything. Wow.
Ketchup. Just a
I
tip.
can't hold the camera and watch her.
No, it's fine. She could.
Sorry, just keeps running off.
Do you use mustard?
What?
Do you use mustard?
No, but let's try. Let's try.
That's a tip.
Yeah.
Ketchup.
Wow.
Straight, you're gonna get some more tamarind sauce. Excuse me, you're gonna get more tamarind sauce, so it's done.
Oh, that looks good.
So this one is clear. It seems
Yeah. This is.
it's like a favorite here. It's like everybody wants it.
Yeah. You could get like just a tip.
Must we can scraping up the pan. Only can.
Because we must get everything.
Yeah.
Right. So we're gonna. Oh, and have a blue table over there.
Okay.
I'm going by the water. Bye. Get off of me.
So here it's crazy, man. We're gonna eat. I don't know. Today I'll sleep. Tomorrow I have a flight. I hope I don't eat and sleep and forget about my flight. You know. So this is the end results we are having right here.
It's so hot.
Big and sharp.
Big and short.
Bake and shake. So this is
It's
the
kind of messy, but you know,
It's good.
it is.
Messy food is good food.
bake and shake.
Big and short.
Yeah, very popular here. Bake and shake.
Can you taste it?
What's up guys? Thank you also for watching this video. We really appreciate. Go please check their. Hey, introduce yourself. Like, who are you?
I'm Ken.
I'm Celeste.
And we're K.C VLOGS.
Yeah, I think you guys saw my live stream with them and also some collabo video. And actually today we really had a fun day testing like really authentic Caribbean food, seafood, local food. And we want to say thank you. Yeah, it was really fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
Thank you.
Travi for sponsoring this video and
Yes.
taking us around today.
Yeah, thank you, Travi.
Travi.
They took us around the whole like, you know,
To get
the whole
random
of this
food.
trip. Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah, thank you guys, and check their channel out. Check their Instagram. Yeah, what's your name?
Moses.
Yeah, that's Moses. And I'm Marwa.
I'm Celeste.
I'm Ken, and see you in a year when Mara comes back to Trinidad.
Yeah, bye. Take care. Bye.
All I need is you, baby, baby.